Hello everyone, my name is Aviv and I'm here to show you today the new Rowsfire A107 Max. I received it just today and I'm super excited to show you and let you know what I think about it. So let's get started and unbox it. As you can see, the size is perfect. It's exactly what you need in order to mount it properly on your desk without catching any unnecessary place. So after seeing how it looks like, I think it's time to jump over to the simulator to see if it really works. So the buttons and the knob feel very nice actually. The whole build feels nice. It feels like a premium device and not a cheap plastic product, which is definitely not. So I didn't find any big issues with the overhead panel. It feels super nice. I do think it's worth the price. However, this version is the V2 version. It has some minor issues. For example, the lights covers, which are spinning sometimes. They are pretty loose. However, you don't need to worry about that because the new shipment will include the fixed version and you will have no issues with that. The setup was very easy. It took me just a couple of minutes to set this whole thing up and running. Rowsfire gives you all the information you need in order to have the installation progress smooth with no any issues. If you are having any kind of trouble, you can always contact Rowsfire. They are super nice and would be happy to help you. So as you can see, everything works like how it should be. If you have any kind of questions, feel free to ask. I really hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.